Do you ever wonder why there aren't more sellers in the Calgary market right now? Seems like the perfect time, right? Prices are going up, inventory is low. Well, it's not necessarily the perfect time, so let's dig into the statistics first. Let's compare our statistics from March 2023 to March 2022. So first of all, new listings are down 39.6%. Total sales are down 40.6%. That's a significant drop. Also, total inventory is the lowest since it was last March. It's currently at 1.33 months. Last March it was at 1.07 months. Now that quarter one is done, let's look at the sales numbers. Calgary detached homes are up an average of 4.9% from $619,600 to $649,800. Semi-detached half duplexes are up about 3.3% from $563,000 to $581,300. Row and townhomes are up from $358,300 to $378,100. That's an increase of 5.5%. And by far the largest gainer of the year so far are apartments. They've increased from a benchmark price of $274,800 to $293,500. That's a 6.8% increase. We did see apartments as the lowest gainers last year, and we're starting to see them catch up to the rest of the market. When we look at Calgary's satellite communities, we're talking Airdrie, Cochrane, Chestermere, Okotoks. When we look at Airdrie, the total benchmark price went up about 4.2% in quarter one from an average of $477,400 to $497,400. Cochrane saw about a 1% increase from $496,700 to $501,900. Chestermere saw the single largest increase at 7.1% in quarter one, rising from $600,300 to $643,200. Okotoks also saw a large increase at 6.9% from $525,200 to $561,600. So why aren't more people looking to sell in a seller's market? Well, I asked some past, present, and future clients about their thoughts, and here's what I came up with. First is most common, higher interest rates. Interest rates have been creeping up over the past couple of years, and a lot of clients got in at that 1 to 2% interest rate, which is incredible. You put a lot of money towards equity in your home. Plus, values have also gone up significantly, so along with paying down your mortgage quickly, you are also getting a high rate of return as prices increase. So a lot of these folks want to stay where they are for now and just continue building that equity. The second most common reason I get from my clients is that they are purchasing in a competitive market. The competitive market means it might struggle to purchase a property, but you will find it easier to sell your home. So there is a give and take here. But I have seen some clients where they want things to relax a little bit. Maybe they're struggling to find exactly what they're looking for because there isn't that much on the market. And so that is one of the reasons that some of my clients have decided to put off looking for a home and looking to sell theirs for a couple months at least. The third reason, some clients are getting home equity line of credits, HELOCs, and they're using that to purchase different investments, properties, maybe a vacation property for the family. They're also looking at that as a way to close out some debt, some bad debt, and maybe pay for some unexpected expenses. A good strategy in a strong seller's market as a buyer, bid competitively. When you bid competitively, you give yourself a chance of actually securing a property. I've seen people time and time again bid low and hope they get a good deal, but when you have 4, 5, 6, 7 offers on a property, it's really hard to win a bid when you're below list price. And unfortunately, that's just the climate of the market right now. The second strategy for buyers is to view properties as soon as possible. Even though some properties might say, oh, we're not accepting offers until Sunday at 7 p.m., the seller can reserve the right to accept an offer prior to that point. So it's best to view a property as soon as you can and get an offer in if you want it right away. The last thing I want to talk about is staying positive. You are likely to lose bids. You are likely to come up short. You're likely to miss on viewing properties because they sell too quickly. Stay positive and just keep looking. You will get something. For some people it takes longer than others, but it's important to stay competitive and it won't be too long. For sellers, the best thing you can do in the seller's market is price correctly. You want to get as many offers as possible, and when you price correctly or even price a little low, you get the best opportunity for as many people through your door as possible and get the best value for your home. The market is extremely tough right now, so the best thing you can do is stay positive and just keep working towards your goal.